All right, a couple more things I did. I cut off the old cable off of the old fan and extended the one that's on this new fan. You know, they're always short. That cable that goes to the fan. Try to show you from the inside. I just extended it. Comes right here to the top. I don't have a zip tie, so I just use some electric tape. And then one more thing, which is very important, is right here. There's the cooling hose, top radiator hose they call it. So I put a clamp on it, and on the one side of it I used rubber, little bushing. It came off of one of these clamps too. And basically the reason I did that is, you'll see in a second that this hits that rib. Once it's going to extend and contract, it's going to be rubbing against that rib. Everywhere else, see, like the rest of the fan, it does clear it well. That's the only spot that's really pushing on it. So you want to make sure there's something in place so it goes against the metal clamp plus the rubber piece. The rubber piece will worn in, it'll be just hitting the metal clamp. I don't care about that. And that's about it.